Okay, now when we go in there, we're the last person through the gate. Close the gate behind. Does everybody have your pellets?
Yep.
Okay, we're going in. Who knows how to feed them? This gentleman right here is going to show you how to feed them. So we'll follow me all the way down.
Okay.
We'll get everybody in here and then you can start showing them. You been here before?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
2017. 2017.
Oh, yeah. Okay, watch this gentleman right here. He's going to show you how they like to eat.
I'll wait until you're up here, Jasmine.
Your lips is the best.
No.
Oh, you didn't get it.
Here it is.
Here, sweetie. There you go.
That's how you feed them.
Oh, you did it too soon. Riley, do you want to try? Okay.
Tatum, can you get a picture?
I love that
Your
little
camera, I have to fix.
You got it. You got it.
Rate it.
He kissed me.
There, you gotta get down to her level.
That was easy. How was it?
You like your lips?
Pat her on her back or in your face.
I'm gonna feed it to him.
Are you going to do it? Go with the little one.
I don't want on the lip.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's over, yeah. Thank you. Did you get the kiss from Mama?
That one.
Look at that.